How to massage the triceps muscles. This muscle is located on the backside of the arm, between the shoulder and the elbow. Start anywhere on the back of the arm. Hold one position for 15 to 30 seconds. Use the Verve to target tight muscle knots and trigger points. Use the Sport if you want to cover a wider area. For a more powerful massage, use the Mini Pro. For a deeper massage, apply some light pressure with your fingertips. The long ergonomic handle of the Sport makes it easy to reach all muscles. Use the Mini Pro if you want a stronger massage. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Stay active.